Here I have POCO F7 and let me show you how to create collage from photos on the following device. So it's a really cool feature and let me show you how to do it really easily and really quickly. Let's open the gallery right here. Let me tap cancel. Okay, here from the gallery, let's use this right corner right here and these three dots. Tap here collage and let's choose the photos that you would like to include. Let me select, for example, those photos. And here you've got some settings that you can set up. You can choose how it should looks. Let me choose, for example, this one. You can also choose the aspect ratio. You can choose the margins if you would like to. You can use the poster. The poster looks amazing in my case, I think. For example, the following one. You can also choose the film roll if you would like to. And you can create amazing collages by using those cool features. For example, this one. Tap save if you like one of them. And the phone is saving this collage. Now you can send it to your friends and do whatever you like with them. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.